What's up, guys? Was out in the sun today. Got a little burnt. It's all good though. Me and my family, we decided to go check out this car show that was going on in Florence today, and it turned out to be pretty big. There was a lot of people there, and I mean anything from modern muscle all the way down to like old school rad rods, pickups, you name it, it was there. So there's some lowriders there. It was cool, and all the people were great. They had some cool music playing in the background, a live band going. But anyways, it's gonna be a two-part thing because I have like an hour and 40 minutes of footage, and yeah, I don't want to put you guys to sleep. So I kind of cherry-picked through what I thought was pretty cool stuff, and I kind of threw this together real fast so that we could, you know, give it to you so you could check it out. Not everybody can make it out to a car show, you know. So, hey, you know, and like always, man, guys, like and subscribe, leave comments, communicate with me. Let me know what you guys want to see. You know, I'm always out there trying to do something. I always got that record button going, you know. So anyways, yeah, without further ado, enjoy the video. Have a good one.
It's got the harness, the 4-point back of the knee. Yeah, that's a heavy one.
Maybe it'll change. Sorry. Then
I wonder if it's right. I wonder if what? Right? You mean besides on the straight track? He's got plated, so yeah, I'd say yes.
Oh yeah?
That's pretty cool. It is. Yeah.
Well, we can flash out the road. Why? Flash out.
it's good, but
Everybody's got to love Volkswagens.
to me, it's something
Kind of a...
every game is a little different. And
It's a real nice car. Love the two-tone seats.
I do what they tell me.
An empty toolkit. That's cool.
I would bring it in, teach after. They'll tell you everything. I can go over it, give you kind of a, you know, a synopsis.
Right, Ann and Andy.
And I can see if you
This thing's cool. Just got done building one of those in my garage.
Yeah.
Little beat-up motor.
oh, okay.
How about a little C10, guys?
Bless you.
1970. Really cool. Old Ford F-100.
Well, my husband's sister,
nice truck. And then look at this truck.
which is okay. But back, no, yeah. Instead of going in the car, man, keep going a little bit fast.
How you doing?
Good place to be, back. Yeah, we talked about that one night.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Dennis would love this.
I think it's my newest one. Yeah. Yeah, we go over here.
Obviously, you know what this is, right?
Oh yeah, Dennis would love this.
You ever heard of Stevie Smith?
Oh, sweetie. Dennis would love this truck.
Race up
Old
our
Ford.
way.
Yeah, 1951 K2.
It's got headlights and taillights.
Bye. What color is that one at?
1951 K2.
This one.
This is cool.
There's a big windshield.
All right. Well, that yellow car.
This is back when safety was number 1. Actually, number 3.
Perfect.
Give you a good jingle.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Little Fiat.
Hey, you don't want this one? I'll buy it for you.
Here you go, Lane. 1970 Fiat.
Oh, no, this is pretty.
Me personally, I'm more of a mini guy. That is cool. That is so neat. Little wheels.
I like the 66. Smaller.
Come over and
Ooh. She's the horseman flavor. Nice. And really nice street rod. You don't have to drive a Dodge, but you'd be cooler if you did. I like this guy. Look inside there. Read that. That's awesome. One of my personal favorites. Chevy Nova.
Dennis, you got it in your
Damn, this is cool. I love the gold Moroso covers. That just sets it off. That's really cool.
had people ask me where I got those, and it was a long time ago. And I was talking to a friend of mine, and he's the retired GM guy, master hot rodder. And so he works out of a shop that he's built over in Queen Creek now.
Right.
He goes, hey, you know what? He said, I got one of those. And he had one in a box somewhere and gave it to me. And I said, you know how hard these are to find?
Yes, they are. But that's legendary old school muscle equipment right there, you know. That's neat. It's always cool to see those. Those and the red ones, both.
Yeah.
They're really neat. It's not something you see every day.
Well, that motor dynoed out at 625, so I figured it deserved something special.
It deserves something
Yeah.
special. Absolutely.
And
625 horse.
I consider it my civic duty to teach some manners to those 5.0 Mustang kids.
That's all right. I'm a Challenger guy. I got a Challenger. Look at this. The gasser.
I like sits up in the air. You know, it's got the end below that is coming where? Well, I kind of want. This is beautiful. No, it's nice.
Ooh, check this out, guys. For the Mopar community. 6.4 with a supercharger on it. Check it out. That'll hurt some feelings. And this is one of the new Kias. Not bad at all. V6 Stinger. Don't underrate it. It'll get you.
That's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, it's nice.
Kias come a long ways. They ain't what they used to be. Man, look at this thing. This thing is cool. Big block power. Look at the bed, guys. Man, that's beautiful. Manuel. 1957. This is a beauty. We'll be back shortly. Check this out, guys. 1941. Don't quote me on it, but I think this is the same car that Karate Kid drove. That is so cool. We have a nice old lead sled here. Old Mercury. 49. Beautiful car. It's a nice little Bel Air. Look at this old girl. Man, you know, I know there's a lot of people that rock these things, but you can't deny the body style. Look at the body lines and stuff, just absolutely beautiful. It's a gorgeous little car as well. And I found something over here hiding. It's not in the show, but we're gonna check it out. I'll check this thing out, guys. I believe it's a replica, but it's still cool. It's like the one that I work on all the time. I saw the guy driving it in. It's really cool. It's got a bit of a roll cage in it. It's got some door bars and stuff in it. Pretty cool. From Wyoming. Man. I have toyed with the idea of putting one of these together for myself. You know, a kit car. I think it would be a lot of fun. I don't know. Maybe someday. But these are cool. I don't know, it'd be kind of a toss-up between a Daytona or one of these. I don't know. We'll see. Things to come in the future, right, guys? But isn't this thing cool? So, man, these things are cool. I dig it. I absolutely dig it. It's bad. On to the next car. By Officer. Awesome plate. Interesting car. It's not in the show. It's kind of off to the side, but very controversial car. Definitely cool though. New Corvette Stingray. Neat car. Not bad at all. Here's some more love for some Mopars.
I don't want to be there.
Oh, you're okay.
I don't have them. Yeah.
They are beautiful, aren't they?
My husband right here had one.
Yeah.
Kid, Charger.
You have to be a millionaire now to own one of these.
Yeah, I sold late 70s, sold my brother for $1,000. 69 RT 440.
Back,
And now you can buy a
Back in
house with
that.
the same car.
Yeah.
back in the 70s, right?
Well, that's like in the 80s. You could pick these things up for nothing. Everybody hated them in the 80s.
Oh, I loved it. My cousin had one, and I even got to ride to school in one.
Yeah.
I loved this one. That's great. Look at all those details.
One thing you gotta love is those taillights.
I don't know if it was for sure 69 or not. If I remember little toggles. Yeah. For sure.
Super simple, super clean.
You know, I think maybe sure you live down here. We come back home. Why would you do
$454. Check out this old car. And your spare. It's crazy, right?
special order tires, I bet, do you?
I would imagine. That's pretty crazy. That's how you change your rim. See all the bolts on the outside?
Oh, yeah.
That's how you change your rim. If you look at the spare, there's no center in it. That's how you change it.
For Christ's sake, I've never seen that before.
Yeah.
Bruce, I saw that. Never seen that.
Yeah, the spindle stays attached. That's how you change a tire on these. And that's really cool, Firestone, because that's who would have been original back in the day on these. That's really neat. Oh. Cute. That's a Camaro. Super clean car. Real pretty color.
Yes, this is nice.
It's gorgeous.
This almost looks like a survivor. I think it's been redone, right?
It's still. It looks like it's too, clear coat.
Yeah.
It looks like it's got clear coat, so I don't think it's a survivor. But
Tires like the bias ply yet even.
yeah, you can buy those new now.
Oh, you
and they remake them. They look like a bias ply, but they're actually not. They're
Oh, the radial? Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah, they're cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are definitely neat.
Yeah. I've yet to see one. I had a 70 Buick GS Stage 1. Very, very, very good. I've never.
Check this thing out. 1956. Small block Chevy. Man, that's gorgeous, ain't it?
Big ass radiator.
That is cool. It's a mid-engine. Check it out. The engine's in the middle.
Yeah, I know.
You got a big block in the middle of it. It's really cool. So that was the old air conditioning system back in the day. Pulls air in at the top, cycles it, blows it directly into the car. pretty wild. Hey, think they can hear the horn when he blows the horn? Man, look at this. They even painted the wheels to match. Look at that. The paint job on this thing is amazing. Yeah, that's too cool.
What do you say, Ted?
That's cool. Man, you got a paint job.
We went places with 2 cars, 6 cars. Yeah.
Cadillac here.
Yeah, she was waiting for that.
She's going.
That's cool. Nice little Chevrolet. Yeah, one thing you don't get anymore, you can't look at that dashboard and tell me it ain't beautiful. And it's all metal. And just, old cars are where it's at.
Some of these things, one is cool.
Absolutely gorgeous. Check this little guy out. Weighs about 10 pounds, has a small block Chevy in it.
Hey, tell your grandpa.
Man, that's tight. Good old Mickey Thompson's. That is cool.
She did last week. For the last car show we left.
Basically sitting on the floor.
She did.
That is cool though. It looks like so much fun. It's a nice car.
Thank you very much.
Small block. Old school hot rod interior. Tweed. It's pretty cool though. I always like the way tweed looks. Got a little Chevy over here. Little truck like Casper. Debating whether or not I want to do a hood like this on Casper. I don't know yet. All depends on if you can get the body lines to line up right. I might just stick with the original and modify it and weld in a scoop on it or something. These were game changers in their day. Good old Ford Lightning. This is a true all-American Ford right here. More my style. Manual transmission. Ooh, I bet she's fun. Oh, look at this damn Cheryl. This is not something you see every day.
We got a little bit more. So there.
Good beauty.
Chevy's really helpful.
Man, look at that.
These are big tires.
1957. Street driven daily. That's 80% rocket ship right there. Dual Phytex, that's amazing. But I bet you it starts when you bump the key, right?
What you call it? Dual what?
Dual Phytex, fuel injection. It's got dual throttle body fuel injection, but I bet you it starts every time you bump the key, though. It's not like the old carburetors with the, you know, the foot action. 1939 Oldsmobile. Yeah, that's cool, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Okay. You could shot in the roof underneath.
Man.
Big feed. You can get in it if you want.
Oh, that's okay. If I get in, I might need help to get out. That is cool, though. Bet you feel like Ray Charles driving this thing. 9-inch rear end in it. Man, that is a cool rig.
About 1,800 pounds, about 325, 350 horsepower on there.
So it's fun.
Oh yeah. The new Camaros and stuff, they're a little surprised.
I would imagine. There's no school like old school.
Yeah. This one is built for lightweight. It's to go good. Not the fastest thing. It's pretty damn fast.
I love it. It's awesome.
Wherever she wants.
Whoa. Bonneville Salt Flats. That's cool. But man, I can't get over that thing. That thing is amazing. Let's see what else we can get into, all right, guys?